What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm gonna be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's cleaning, we are gonna be cleaning up these Undefeated dunks, part of the 5 on it pack. It's pretty much 5 different materials on one sneaker, but I will be talking about that a little later on in today's cleaning. But right now, let's talk about what products we are gonna be using for today's video. We are gonna be using our essential shoe cleaning kit paired with our dry suede kit to get the best possible results. We might even tap in with our good friend the Mink Oil if we need to later on in the video, but we'll get to that. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, as always, to start this cleaning, we are only gonna be cleaning one shoe. So let's go ahead and just get this left shoe, set it aside. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remove these laces and pull out our dry suede kit. So let's go get straight to that. All right, before we jump into the cleaning, we do have to prep it some more. Gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree. These are a size 10.5. So we are just gonna 4th or 5th hole back. Perfect, now we got that nice hard toe box so I can apply as much pressure as I need to during this cleaning process, as well as it's just gonna also help reshape the shoe during the cleaning process. Right now I'm just gonna grab our solution, squirt it inside our bowl of water. Only need 2 squirts because it is highly concentrated, so let's get it. All right, beautiful, we're all prepped. Now I'm just gonna grab our soft brush, dip it in our solution of water, and just start cleaning these uppers, break down all that dirt and grime, go through it with our microfiber towel, and then see what we're working with. So let's get it. All right, as I'm drying off this shoe, just want to give you a little bit of information about it. As I mentioned earlier, it is part of the 5 on it pack, which was 5 different materials on one sneaker. So let's go ahead and talk about those materials. Of course, we have that suede. There was also the pony hair on the swoosh. On the opposite side of the swoosh, we have that ostrich leather print. There's canvas, nylon tongue, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for those 5 different materials. Nike and Undefeated also came out with Air Force Ones. It was pretty much an Air Force One versus the dunk pack with the 5 materials. Personally, I like the dunks a lot better. Most of the colorways, like this colorway right here, super fire. Jake, make sure you insert the image with the brown, not the blue and purple. But let us know in the comments down below what your favorite out of the pack was. Was it the dunk, the Air Forces, what colorway? You name it, talk to us. We'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. All right, but right now I'm gonna grab our medium bristle brush and just work on some of those deeper stains that are still in the midsole, as well as on the leather on the opposite side. So let's get it. All right, we're pretty much almost wrapped up with this cleaning. The last thing I gotta do is go use our stiff bristle brush and take care of these icy outsoles. So let's get straight to that. These icy blue outsoles are probably one of my favorite features of the shoe, so I'm definitely gonna make sure I get it nice and right.
Hey Rob, since you like the shoe so much, are you gonna buy those after the video?
Unfortunately not, because they aren't my size, but if you're a size 10.5 and you wanna cop these shoes for the low, make sure you head on over to ManyWorldsClothing.com or hit the link in the description below. But with all that being said, the last thing I need to do for this cleaning is just go ahead and take care of these laces. So right now, I'm just gonna dip them in our solution mixture. Perfect, that's gonna wrap it up for these laces. Our dunks are nice and clean. Last thing I gotta do is go ahead and set these out in the sun to dry for a few hours, and I'll check in with y'all before you know it. Let's go. And we are back. We did go ahead and let the shoe dry for a couple hours in that Arizona sunshine, and the shoe cleaned up great. However, as you know, when cleaning any type of suede, it always gets that notorious crunchy hard texture. So right now I am gonna go ahead and reset that nap using our dry suede kit. So let's get straight to that. Bam, that's gonna wrap it up for our dry suede kit. We did go ahead and reset that suede, made it nice and soft, brought back that buttery texture. However, there are a few things I do want to point out. Unfortunately, it does look like I may have oversaturated that material during the cleaning process because some of the suede, it definitely bled in that back tab area, but it's nothing to be too worried about because we got our good friend, our Mink Oil. This is literally designed to bring back the color on dyed suede after it's been cleaned. So right now I'm gonna walk you through that process on how to exactly apply it to your shoe. So here we go. First things first, you do want to make sure you spray your Mink Oil outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. For today's cleaning, we are going to be spraying it indoors. Luckily for our studio, it is well-ventilated, so there's not too much for us to worry about. What you need to do is just hold your shoe 6 to 8 inches away from the can, spray one light coat, like so. Again, a key thing to note when applying the Mink Oil, you do not want to cake it on. You want to spray light, even coats and just brush it in with your dry brush. All right, I am all done applying our Mink Oil. I did apply about 3 coats to the shoe. Again, light, even coats. I waited 2 to 3 minutes in between each coat and then just rubbed it in with our soft bristle brush. And I am very happy with these results. That color bleeding that we experienced on the back, it's definitely gone. It no longer looks ashy and it brought back that original color. With all that being said, it is time for us to go ahead and get these things laced up and get them ready. So let's go. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Undefeated Dunk 5 On It. We achieved these results using our essential shoe cleaning kit, dry suede kit, but most importantly, our mighty Mink Oil. Before I get out of here, let me just go ahead and recap how I got these results. Again, we used our soft bristle brush, broke down all that dirt and grime on those uppers. From there, we moved on to our medium bristle brush, tackled that midsole, and then we went to our outsole using our stiff bristle brush. Set these shoes outside to dry for about 2 hours, came back, we then reset that nap using our dry suede kit, and then we topped it off using our mighty Mink Oil. The Mink Oil definitely saved this shoe. Again, we had some of those spotty color changes due to the color bleeding during the cleaning process, but the Mink Oil definitely took care of that. With all that being said, if you like today's video, make sure you go and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go and do that because we do post new content every Monday and Thursday, plus a whole bunch of bonus content coming at you all 2022. Again, if you do like these shoes and you're trying to get them for the low, make sure you go into the description, hit that link, and they'll take you directly to manyworldsclothing.com and you can purchase these shoes as well as this awesome tee, as well as all of our other Many Worlds gear. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and it's time for me to boogie on out of here, but I'm sure I'll see you guys again. Peace.